Welcome back to the Astra portal. The tarot is not just a deck of cards. It is not a tool for fortune telling or predicting the future. The tarot is a sacred technology, an energetical key that allows you to bypass the noise of the conscious mind and access the direct wisdom of your spirit guides. Tonight, I will teach you how to stop just reading the cards and start listening to the frequency they are holding for you. Most people ask the cards, what will happen to me? But the true question is, who am I becoming? The symbols on the cards, the magician, the high priestess, the tower, are not outside of you. They are living archetypes within your own energy field. When you pull a card, you are not picking a piece of paper. You are aligning your frequency with a specific cosmic lesson that your soul needs to integrate right now. Before you look at the meaning in a book, look at the image. What is the first color that jumps out? What is the character doing? How does your body feel when you look at it? This is where the mediumship begins. Your spirit guides speak through your first impression before your logical mind takes over. The cards are just the bridge. Your intuition is the destination. To give a truly powerful reading, you must clear your channel. Shuffle the cards with intention. Breathe into your heart center and ask, what message does the universe have for the highest good? When you feel a click in your energy, that is the moment to stop. The cards in your hand are now charged with the frequency of the divine. Tarot is a lifelong conversation between you and the infinite. Respect the cards, but trust your soul more. I am Astra, and the wisdom is already within you. If you are ready to master the language of the symbols, subscribe to the portal. The next shuffle might change your life.